AI is already part of everyday work, and in this video, we'll look at how to move past resistance, build confidence, and use it in practical ways. Professor Aneta Kaplanova. A lot of resistance starts with a simple fear. If AI can do some tasks faster, people naturally wonder what that means for their role. Then there's complexity. New tools, new prompts, new expectations. When people aren't sure where to start, uncertainty quickly turns into avoidance. So the challenge isn't just technology. It's trust, clarity, and giving people a safe way to learn without feeling left behind. The best way to think about workplace AI is as support, not replacement. It handles repetitive tasks, so you can spend more time on the work that needs human judgment. Think about drafting routine emails, summarizing long documents, organizing notes, or pulling first-pass insights from data. Those jobs take time, even when they're not the most valuable part of your day. When AI takes care of the first layer, you gain space for problem solving, customer conversations, better decisions, and more creative thinking. That shift is the real opportunity, less repetition, more focus on the work only you can do well. If you're just getting started, don't begin with the hardest task on your list. Start small with something low risk and repeatable. Use AI inside tools you already recognize, like your email platform, document editor, meeting assistant, or workplace chat. Familiar environments lower the barrier immediately. Ask it to summarize notes, draft a first version, brainstorm options, or turn rough ideas into a clearer structure. You don't need to master everything at once. One useful win is enough to start building confidence. Confidence doesn't come from a single demo. It comes from practice, feedback, and learning that continues over time. That's why upskilling matters. Short training sessions, guided examples, and role-specific use cases make AI feel relevant instead of abstract. Teams learn faster when people can share prompts, compare results, and talk openly about what worked and what didn't. The goal is a workplace where learning AI feels normal, supported, and ongoing. Confidence also depends on guardrails. People are more willing to use AI when they know what's safe, what's not, and why. That means protecting sensitive data, checking what information can be shared, and understanding when human review is required before content is used. It also means being transparent. If AI helped create a draft or recommendation, people should know how it was used. Good policies don't slow adoption down. They make responsible use easier and more trustworthy. Even the best AI tools struggle in a workplace culture that punishes mistakes or treats change as a threat. But when leaders encourage experimentation, teams become more willing to test ideas, ask questions, and learn in public. That kind of culture turns adoption into a shared process instead of a private struggle. Resistance drops when support goes up. Innovation grows faster when people feel safe enough to try, reflect, and improve. When AI is used well, the benefits show up quickly in everyday work. You can save time on repetitive admin, reduce the pressure of starting from a blank page, and move through routine tasks with less friction. That often leads to more consistent drafts, faster preparation, and higher quality output because you have more time to review, improve, and think. So the value isn't just speed, it's better work with less strain. Let's bring it all together. People build confidence with AI when they understand its purpose and get the chance to use it in manageable ways. Start with practical tasks, learn as you go, and use training and teamwork to turn uncertainty into skill. Add trust through clear policies, responsible habits, and transparent use, and adoption becomes much easier. Practice, trust, and support. That's how confidence with AI grows at work. Here's a fun fact. One of the most common workplace uses of AI today is helping people write first drafts, which means the future of work often starts with a better blank page. Keep exploring, keep practicing, and keep building confidence. See you in the next video.